In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Outlook automatically deleting emails from inbox. If messages keep disappearing from your inbox, it's usually because of three things: an email rule that moves or deletes messages, auto-archive quietly sweeping older items away, or Outlook emptying your deleted items when you close the app. We'll check each of these so you can keep what matters in your inbox. First, open Outlook. We'll start by reviewing rules, since they're a common cause. On the desktop app, go to File, then Manage Rules Alerts. If you're using Outlook on the web, open Settings, choose Mail, then Rules. Look through every rule carefully. You're hunting for actions like delete, permanently delete, or move to deleted items, as well as rules that move messages out of the inbox to other folders. If you find a rule that's a little too aggressive, uncheck it to disable, edit it to narrow the conditions, or delete it if you don't need it. A good troubleshooting tip is to temporarily disable anything you're not sure about, then re-enable only the rules you truly need after you confirm the issue is resolved. Keep in mind that some organizations manage rules centrally, so certain options may be locked down. Next, let's turn off Auto Archive so Outlook doesn't automatically move older mail. In the desktop app, go to File, Options, Advanced, and click Auto Archive Settings. Uncheck Run Auto Archive every X days. That stops the global schedule. If only certain folders are affected, right-click that folder, choose Properties, open the Auto Archive tab, and select Do Not Archive items in this folder. This ensures messages stay put. If you rely on archiving for long-term storage, you can leave it on for specific folders, but keep it off for inbox and any folders where you actively work. Auto Archive moves items. It doesn't always look like deletion, but if you don't see the archive folder or a data file, it can feel like things vanished. Finally, prevent deleted items from being emptied automatically when you exit Outlook. Go to File, Options, Advanced. Under Outlook Start and Exit, uncheck Empty Deleted Items folders when exiting Outlook. With that off, messages you delete won't be permanently removed just because you closed the app. You can still empty the folder manually whenever you want, which gives you a safety net if you change your mind. After these checks, monitor your inbox for a bit to confirm everything stays where it should. That's it. Your inbox is now under your control. Thanks for watching.